Unit 2 of EC1. Title of the Unit 2 is Amplitude and Angle Modulation. Subunit Amplitude Modulation Definition and Waveform. Amplitude modulation AM, it is defined as a process in which amplitude of high frequency carrier is varied. But how it is varied? In proportional with instantaneous value of modulating signal. Keeping frequency and phase constant. So this is how the amplitude modulation process goes on. So the amplitude of high frequency carrier, we are using a carrier for sending signal from one place to another place, but the carrier frequency should be always higher than modulating frequency. So always remember whenever I say modulating signal, it means this is information in electrical form. As far as radio communication is concerned, this information is nothing but electrical equivalence of sound. So when the sound energy is falling onto a microphone, then it converts this sound energy into its equivalent electrical signal, and this equivalent electrical signal is called as modulating signal. So this word is repetitively, it will come across you in future. Modulating signal means the information means the electrical equivalence of sound. And what is high frequency signal? It means it is a sine wave which is having high frequency. High frequency sine wave is called as a carrier. So this is how the introduction takes place. We will see the process of amplitude modulation in the next video.